whoa, 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 whoa. I think we need to stop. Any traffic coming behind you, babe?
You're not supposed to park under the bridge. They specifically said do not park under the bridge.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, fucking idiots. I don't see it. Yes, this is truck number 10798. I'm in Oklahoma City. I'm about 30 miles outside of a tornado. I need a weather shutdown.
You're 6
Thank
miles.
You. Thanks.
You're 6 miles from the tornado. You're actually 2 miles.
Really fucking hang up.
We're going to Reno. We're like 4 miles from it now.
Oh boy.
They're right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
Calm before the storm.
I'm gonna try to get it. Hold on. Everybody's under the bridges. Right there, right there. It's right there. I'm trying to keep my phone from shaking. Oh my gosh, babe. Oh my gosh, look at it.
That's it.
Oh, look how empty the highway is. I don't know.
I'm just trucking.
Well, everyone's braking up ahead and stopping, and here we are. Oh my gosh, there it is. I've never in my life seen anything like this ever. Oh my gosh, what an 18-wheeler.
Here comes the hail.
Oh. Oh my god. Babe.
Yeah.
Babe.
Hey. Well, we're driving through the tornado pretty much right now, like, golf ball size hail coming
Oh my
down.
god.
I'm trying to pull over, but there's like no place to pull over. Oh, I should have pulled over right there.
Those trucks.
Okay.
We need to get over.
Oh. I see the tornado. I'm
It's
looking
right
right
there.
at it. Yeah, I gotta go, dude. I'll call you back.
Great.
No, I don't know what you want me to do.
Well, I don't know.
I think it's fucking cool. Whoa, what's going on here? What's this guy doing?
I don't know. They're coming the wrong side of the road, babe.
Oh.
Babe, get over. We need to get over.
Okay, alright. Oh, shit. Well, I don't know how to get over. What the fuck? How do I turn around?
You don't. Just,
Oh my god. Oh, shit.
baby. Just,
Well, I don't know what to do, babe.
I don't know either.
Oh, shit. It's right there. Okay.
I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god. It's coming up behind us. I don't know, babe.
No, it's not. It's right in front of us. That's it right there.
Babe,
I don't know what to do.
I don't know either. I mean, my god, I'm from Texas. I
Oh
don't
my god, there it is.
Well, look at the winds on the road.
I don't know how to get back.
I guess just get on the shoulder. I don't know. Oh my god. Hating an 18-wheeler as it is with the trees. Look at all the golf. Look at all the hail on the road. Let's see if I can get it.
Oh man.
Watch out for this truck coming the wrong way. There's an 18-wheeler. Oh my.
Oh.
No. We gotta go somewhere.
I can't. I cannot turn around. Holy fuck. Oh boy.
Well, babe, the winds are picking up. Babe.
Super chill, please. I can't see out the window. I gotta be able to see out the window.
Chris, stop me. Just, I think you're supposed to get under the bridge.
No, they said no bridges.
Well, that's what people are doing, so... I don't know!
Oh, boy. She's in her place.
You can't go any further, babe.
Oh, my God.
Oh,